Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are having Wingstop. I have the fam bam with me, Ash the stylist. Go check her out. Ash _ the stylist. We have some all flats. We have lemon pepper and spicy Korean. We have the loaded fries. This is the buffalo ranch. I don't know if this is new for you guys, but it's new for us at our Wingstop. And we have the Cajun fried corn. This is new as well. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna rip these lids off, guys, so I can have some place to put the bones. There you go, so they can see. How's everybody been? Hopefully everyone's been doing pretty good. That's ranch, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I got blue cheese, and Ashley got ranch. I'm gonna try these fries.
What does it say? Fries with sauce.
Fries with sauce. It tastes like their buffalo, sauce. They're good though.
Go for the lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. Isn't it delish? That's good.
Woo!
What? Salty, lemony?
Both.
I'm gonna try the I feel like I'm wiping something on my face. I'm gonna try the spicy Korean. This lighting, guys, got me looking all shiny and glowy.
Is it spicy? Mm-hmm. No? Sweet?
Mm-hmm. I think they said it's sriracha, either sriracha honey and ginger or sriracha garlic and ginger. It's good. It's like an Asian zing type thing. But it's good though. What are you guys eating with us? Good? Quiet. Remember, that's a sign that the food is good. They also had Louisiana Voodoo loaded fries, which I don't know. I think it's a cheese sauce and something else, but they were all out of cheese. So no idea. Okay.
It's teriyaki-ish.
Yeah. Lemon pepper for you guys. I love lemon pepper.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's not hot, no? I like it. I normally don't like wet wings, but I like those. I probably would like them better if I just got the chicken fried and had that sauce to dip it in.
This will be good dipping sauce.
Mm-hmm.
You should tell them about the guy we saw.
You tell him.
So, this older man, looked like he was in the OJs back in the day. Had his button-up shirt on. And we're wondering, is his shirt open? Is the buttons undone? Turn to the side, like, oh no. Then you turn all the way around, and all you see was belly. Like, why would you go out scaring folks like that? And then they paid in change.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
I'm hungry. This is good. You guys, it's so late. All right, I'm going in for the corn. So this is deep fried or fried corn. And I got flavor Cajun. They have Cajun, Parmesan, lemon pepper. I think that's it. You get little bitty cut up cobs. You can either get 5 or 10, but they will not let you mix the flavors, which is ridiculous. You should be able to mix them. Is Cajun a flavor of wings?
Is it? I don't know. I stick to lemon pepper.
It's good if they do that. Maybe it's no. Ooh, what? Guys, get the fried corn. I am drinking a cherry Sprite. What are you drinking?
Vanilla Coke Zero for me. No, you're ruining my keto.
I know. That's what us mukbangers do.
Woo.
Ruin the keto. It's my job. It means I'm doing my job. Guys, I'm not purposely trying to ruin her keto, but she is a family member that is willing to try new things with me. She's not really scared. So one day off of keto is not going to hurt. Just jump back on tomorrow.
You should do it with your coworkers.
Yeah, my coworkers are part of the FGC.
What is that?
The Fat Girl Crew.
Oh.
They have named themselves the Fat Girl Crew. And they like to eat.
You like to eat too?
It's just no way. We have food trucks that come out every day, so it could be 9 o'clock in the morning. They'll be like, what's for lunch? What are you having? What are you having? It's good.
I think we're just hungry.
You're really, really hungry. I know it's really tasty. Going for some corn. Are you gonna try some corn?
Yeah.
Whew. I need to stop drinking. I'm gonna be full pretty soon. I wanted to get Parmesan too.
Chicken?
Corn.
That would be a good idea.
They should let you mix them. Especially if you get 10 of them, you should be able to mix the flavors. You're not supposed to dip it. You're supposed to try it by itself first.
No, I dip everything. This is good.
Isn't it?
Oh my God.
The fried corn, you guys. Get the fried corn. It's really, really good.
It's so good.
That's why I said, is Cajun a flavor? Because that seasoning will be good on some chicken.
But I don't think it'll be enough.
Flavoring or seasoning?
Yeah.
I think it would be good. Like they just fried some wings, like the Louisiana dry rub. I haven't tried it, but I've heard it was good. This
is gonna be stuck all in my braces.
Oh,
But it's good.
it's very good.
Spicy.
I like it though.
Yeah. Good burn.
You feel the burn?
Yeah. It's a good burn. I haven't ate corn in months.
They were a little heavy-handed on the lemon pepper.
Yeah, I'm telling you. You know, black people like that.
Guys, I have a question for you. At your pizza joint, if you're, well, yeah, at your pizza joint, do they automatically ask if you want ranch with your pizza? Because certain areas, let's just say in San Francisco, for example, kind of more, let's just say, urban area, they ask if you want ranch with your pizza automatically. It's like peppers and cheese. You just get it. But in other neighborhoods, I have an option. Just curious. I just want to know if it's a area thing, a preference, or just, I don't know.
You know, Wingstop is usually where there's a lot of black people.
We like chicken.
So, some people don't.
I know. Weirdos. Well, unless you are vegan or vegetarian by choice, then you're not a weirdo. Because I know I do have vegan subscribers that are so faithful and so loyal and comment on all my videos.
We're eating for them.
I take my hats off to you for being so strong to not eat meat. I don't know if I could do it. Well, I don't know. I'm sure you could do anything you put your mind to, but it's gonna be a struggle for me. I want to do it because I know it's healthier for you, but it's gonna be hard. Guys, I know I say this every time I eat Wingstop. Wingstop has the best blue cheese dressing. Here's some corn. This corn is good.
I don't think I've ever.
Tried it?
Probably not never. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had it.
Try it. Give it a try.
I like blue cheese from
What is good?
like the actual crumbles. Like, how many did they give us in that?
What? Corn? 5.
6, 5.
Eat the rest of them.
Why is such an odd number?
Your options were 5 or 10. That corn is really good.
I think I'm done with the lemon pepper because
I have a cut on my finger.
it's kind of strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hungry today. This is what.
I'm getting full.
So, I bought concert tickets to see Nicki Minaj and Future, right?
Oh, they're coming out here?
She canceled her end of the North American tour.
Why?
I don't know. Now she's on a huge rant about her career. And I heard her whole album is just about talking about people in the industry.
Oh.
And her record sales aren't doing that well.
So, I don't listen to her music.
In the US, that is.
I mean, I know who she is, but I don't listen to her music. But I saw her in a couple, I guess, like gossip blogs or whatever on YouTube. Everybody was talking about her. To me, she seems like a brat.
Right.
Like if she doesn't get her way or if things don't.
How she talks is annoying. Like, I know she didn't grow up talking like that.
I mean, I guess she's a talented person, I guess.
Yeah.
But see, it's not that I just don't listen to her. I'm not really into this new rap stuff. I don't really. I like old school rap. You know. Give me Ice Cube. Snoop Dogg. RBL. You know. The good stuff.
The oldies.
So it's not that I don't listen just to her, but I just don't listen to really any of it.
But
Sorry guys, camera went out. We're gonna be wrapping up pretty soon. Alright, don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment down below. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. Sorry, I don't even know if y'all can see the food and all this. Hit the Okay guys, like I was saying, We should use this one the whole time. Oh, that's better. The camera went out on us. But thumbs up the video, comment down below, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell on the side to be notified every time that I upload a video. I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you to my day ones. And thank you to my loyal viewers. I'm going to go ahead and eat a couple more and then end the video. You good?
Oh, you still gonna be eating.
I know. We're going to be like, bye y'all, while we grubbing.
This is good.
I like it. And I don't really like wet wings. They put hecka sauce in there too.
But this, it's like Filipino. It's just not like...
It's sriracha. I know sriracha and ginger, but I don't know if it's honey or if it's garlic.
Yeah, probably both.
And so all this stuff, well, besides the lemon pepper, guys, but all this stuff was new. I think they have it for the football season.
Right.
They had a lot of advertisements for football stuff around this. So.
Put that corn. Oh my god.
Corn is good.
Should have 10.
10 of them. But I wasn't sure. I was like, what if it's just regular corn? What if I don't like it? Or I'm gonna eat the other one.
I know.
I'm done. That's full.
I'm not. You can eat chicken all day? I can eat chicken all day. Not because I'm black.
There's a couple mukbangers out there like that. That can eat chicken all day. And you guys know who you are.
Let's see, I would get full doing a noodle mukbang. I can't.
While I drink. Where are we at? Let's see. Okay. For real this time, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap it on up. Once again, give me a good thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Come back and join us for some more mukbangs, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye.